How to repair an outdoor cloth swing. Outdoor swings receive a lot of love from family and friends who get to enjoy them, but they also receive a lot of abuse. Whether it's muddy dogs that keep jumping up on the swing, spilled red wine or accidental cigarette burns, there are many accidents that can ruin your swing. You don't need to spend a fortune to recover the cloth on your swing, especially if it's beloved and speaks to your style. Refurbish the swing cloth by cleaning and repairing holes or stains. Things you'll need: vinegar, soap, warm water, washing detergent, fabric patch, sewing kit. Repair the cloth on the patio swing by locating and inspecting the damaged areas. If the area has a deep, dark stain, apply a dab of vinegar and warm water with soap and scrub it in a circular motion. Vinegar can remove even the most daunting stains and odors. Remove the cloth or fabric from the swing if the stains still are visible on the fabric. Unzip the pillows cases and remove the pillows. Check the tag on the fabric for specific washing instructions. You might need to tear apart Velcro straps or unclip them to remove the upholstery on the swing, depending on how they are fastened. Place the items in the washer and set to hand wash. Most swings use cotton materials. Washing in hot water might cause the upholstery to shrink. Washing them in a gentle cycle will preserve the material better. When drying the upholstery, leave it out in the sun to dry naturally. Go to a fabric or craft store, and seek out the exact or similar fabric and color used on your swing. This is a better alternative for repairing large holes rather than purchasing an entirely new upholstery. Cut the fabric a little bigger than the hole. Turn the upholstery inside out, and locate the hole. Place the patch over the hole with one hand, and use the other hand to sew the fabric in with a sewing kit.